Hey guys, Justin from Pacific Beach Fit Club out here on a beautiful Friday in Pacific Beach. Getting my run in, getting my minute in, because you know the drill. If you have a minute, you could do a workout in. Check it out. The world is your gym, and I know you have a minute. I believe in you guys, so get it in. It's going to get easier every day you do it. It's going to get harder every day you don't do it. So you might as well just do it. And remember, it just starts with that minute, you know. Just try to get that minute in every day. Start from there and just build from there, you know. You could do it. You'll start feeling good. You'll start having fun. Once it becomes a habit, it's just fun, I promise. It doesn't feel like working out. I'm having fun out here. I want you guys to feel good and have fun too. So stay healthy, my friends. Have a happy Friday.